Your heavy-duty diesel truck is taking an absolute eternity to warm up on these frosty mornings, and when you finally get out on the highway with the trailer behind you, that exhaust brake feels completely dead, leaving you to ride the service brakes down the mountain. If your scanner is showing a P049F, your engine computer is screaming about an electrical fault in the exhaust pressure control valve B circuit. This valve is a clever piece of engineering tucked into the exhaust stream right after the manifold, designed to intentionally block some of the exiting air to create heat or back pressure. On a cold start, that extra pressure acts like a thermal blanket to get the engine up to temp fast, and during towing, it opposes the engine pistons to slow the truck down safely. When the powertrain control module, or PCM, loses control of the solenoid because of a short to power, an open wire, or a short to ground, it shuts the system down and often kills your engine power. The first thing you need to do is stop and search for technical service bulletins, because many times the manufacturer has a software reflash that fixes this exact logic error without you ever picking up a wrench. If that is not the case, you have to get under there and locate the B solenoid. These wires live in a brutal world of road salt, mud, and 1,000-degree heat cycles, so look very closely for melted plastic or green, crusty corrosion inside the connectors. Grab some electrical contact cleaner and a small plastic brush to scrub those pins until they look like new copper again. If the wiring is pristine, grab your digital volt-ohm meter and check the solenoid itself. It should not be an open circuit or a dead short. If you find 0 ohms or infinite resistance, that solenoid is toast. With the ignition on, you should see 12 volts at the power supply wire. If you have power but the test light does not flicker when you wiggle the harness, you have a broken wire hiding inside that loom. Taking the time to trace the voltage can save you from replacing a perfectly good solenoid when the real culprit was just afraid wire rubbing against the frame rail.